Dear viewers, have you ever been stranded because your car battery died? Or discovered a flat tire just before leaving home? These situations can be frustrating, but the UTRAI 1500A car jump starter is designed to help you handle both. In today's video, I'll take a closer look at this all-in-one emergency tool and find out if it's worth adding to your vehicle. The UTRAI JS9 1500A is much more than a jump starter. It combines four essential tools into one compact design: a 1500 a car jump starter, a 150 psi portable air compressor, a high capacity power bank, and LED emergency flashing. Instead of carrying separate devices, you get everything you need for many common roadside solutions in a one portable unit. Let's start with the main features. The UTRAI delivers a 1500 peak current, making it suitable for many gasoline engines up to 6 liter and a diesel engine up to 4.5 liters, according to the product specifications. If your battery is weak or unexpectedly discharged, this portable jump starter can help you to get back on the road without waiting for roadside assistance. For many daily drivers, that peace of mind alone makes it a valuable addition to the car. What about the 150 PSI air compressor? Another standout feature is the built-in